Time for a little bit of active track action. Started out at 10 feet, and as I started to accelerate, the drone went higher and higher, and then before you know it, I just freaking didn't hit the bridge by like a foot. If y'all are disappointed that I didn't just hit that bridge, then shame on you. Anyhow, sorry guys, clickbait all day. Don't normally do that, every now and again. I just want to see how many views this thing gets. But check out this next scene chasing this boat. Don't go, I know you're mad, just stick around, please, please, please. Look at this stinking boat, dog. I was chasing this thing. I couldn't believe I caught his ass. I was sport moding it up, FPV style. Try that FPV mode, FPV mode out, try it. Don't be afraid to edit things. Yeah, this doesn't look exactly like it looked today. It was a beautiful day, and I think this looks cool as hell. I hope you all have an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're mad at me, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, and just get your drone out. If you don't have one, check out the link in this video, and I'll give you everything you need to get you one. CJ Moto out.